Good day, can you please tell me about yourself?
Good morning, sir. My name is Minghalandi Haruda, 26 years old, and I live in Barangay Aguinaldo, La Paz, Iloilo City. My father is a laborer, and my mother is a housewife. I have 7 sisters, and I'm the second child in the family. I finished my first year college with a course of HRM, and I did not finish my college due to financial problem.
Okay, thank you. And do you have work experience as a domestic helper abroad before?
No, sir, but I work here as a domestic helper to a couple with 2 kids, 5 years old boy and 2 years old girl. My duties there are doing household chores like marketing, cooking, cleaning, and ironing clothes and washing clothes. And the top priority is taking care of the kids.
Okay, thank you. And do you have how would you describe your employers?
They are good to me, sir.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, sir.
And how would you describe yourself as a worker?
I am hardworking, can work under pressure, and can manage my time, and I'm a happy person.
Okay, and do you have any tattoo?
Yes, sir.
In which part of your body?
In my left wrist arm.
And did you undergo any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Are you under special medication right now?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
Because I want to work abroad because I want to help my family to have a better life here, and I want to help my other sibling to finish their studies.
Okay, and are you scared of the dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to take care of the baby?
Yes, sir.
What will you do if the baby did not stop crying?
First, I will check if the baby is hungry, then I will fed, or I will check the body temperature if the baby is sick, then I will tell the madam.
Okay, and what will you do if the children is naughty or will not listen to you?
I will talk to them nicely and calm and be more patient to the kids.
Okay, and can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you please sing it?
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell out and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Okay, thank you. And do you have a food allergy?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with the kids, elder or other helper?
Yes, sir.
And are you okay if your day off is not on Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, sir. It's okay with me.
And would you accept no day off but employer will pay you instead?
Yes, sir.
And if you're homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, sir. I will just focus on my work.
Okay. And are you willing to work with your employer who has many children?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, sir.
And do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
And do you have a full consent to your family and husband to work abroad?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and will you please say a short message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am. Good day, ma'am. Sir, if you select me as your domestic helper, I will promise that I will finish my contract and extend if needed. I am hardworking, trustworthy, responsible, and I can work with less supervision. Good day and God bless.
Okay, and do you promise that you will take good care of your employer's children as your own child?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and that's all for today, and thank you for coming.
Thank you.